How to change the default browser to Chrome. Usually when we install Windows 10 the first time, we will be given Microsoft Edge. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change the default browser to Chrome browser. Please open Microsoft Edge first by clicking an icon like this. Then the Microsoft Edge display will look like this. Now, we do a search in the search box by typing in keywords. Type Chrome Offline Installer. Select link from the AWIN. On the Neowin site, please scroll down until you find the blue text link. Please select the link that matches your Windows OS. Because I am using Windows 10 64-bit, then I clicked on this link. You can see in the lower left corner there is a file download process carried out by Microsoft Edge. Download speed depends on the bandwidth of your internet connection. We'll wait a while for the process. Because the Chrome browser is automatic, it will be installed directly into your Windows. We first minimized the Microsoft Edge browser window. And here the Chrome browser opens immediately and immediately opens a new tab for the Chrome extension that offers a vast antivirus. Now your computer is installed on your Windows, then you just click Get Started. Please follow my steps. Please select your browser background. Then they offer, do you want to change the default browser? Follow this step. Please close the Microsoft Edge browser first. Please click Set as Default. Then you're immediately taken to the Windows Control Panel page. Please change Microsoft Word to Chrome for the web browser application. Please close. And click No Thanks. Okay, now, you can use the Chrome browser to search for information on the internet. Suppose you want to find the second address, then type it in the search box like this. We just need to click on the link. Here we will be taken to the web page that we are looking for directly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to click subscribe button and bell notification. Click also likes button below, and also, share this video, so that I am excited about making other videos. Bye, see you in the next video.